Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today's project is a new Not Too Shabby Shop project that is for today's hop. Now, I have not even opened the package. Some of you guys know, if you watch my channel, that I've been out of town, had tech issues, all the things. So I have been playing catch up and have not actually opened this up. So let's see what is in my package from the Not Too Shabby Shop. Let's go ahead and grab some of this stuff out. I can already tell this is stinking cute. I have been spending some time with my mother-in-law, and her property is kind of like a conservation area, and she's got a cute little fox that she absolutely loves. So having a fox in my stamp set, I always get tickled with that. So let's open this one up, and I'll start pulling out each of the bits that are in this month's box of the month. So to start off with, we've got this cute stamp set. This one is called Crazy Forest Friends. And we've got a bunch, they're all wearing winter scarves. We've got a little fox, a little deer, a beaver, a bunny, a bear. We've got a tree to go with it, and some fun sentiments. Wake me when winter is over. That is super cute. And then we've got this one that also has all those same little, well, I would say all the same, but they're not quite. It's a little bit different. We do have a fox and a bear and a bunny and a deer, but this time we've also got a cute little koala. That is Darlin. And then this final one, it has more realistic characters in it. So we've got a couple of bunnies, a couple of birds, a couple of deer, and a bear. And it has, hello, dear friend. Friends Forever. I forgot to say what this one was called. This is called Snuggle Weather, which explains the sweaters, right? And then this one is Dear Friends. That is super sweet. We've got a little bit of extra confetti and such, and a sucker in there. And then we've got some more bits here. Starting off with some cute ephemera. This one has got it's got a cute little mouse there. I don't know how come the mouse is so big when the little girl is so small, but maybe it's a stuffed one. I don't know. And some cool sentiments and a bunch of cute little ephemera in there. It all says kind of let it snow. This one is called, I do not see the name. I do not see the name. That is okay though. We love the ephemera, don't we? So we've got a snowman. That is cute. This is hot cocoa weather. A little puppy dog making a snowman. This little guy's got to be holding something. So I'm thinking there's got to be something in here that is super fun for him to hold. Oh goodness, these are adorable. I may have to play with these today. I am undecided, and you guys know that that is kind of how it is. We go ahead and dump the rest of these out because they are just too cute. Several little cards. This one says warm and cozy winter wishes. This one says let's build a snowman. And like every one of their packs, you do have two. And this kind of explains this little guy that's holding something, because we have this one where the little mouse is holding another mouse is holding another mouse. We've got two of those, so I'm thinking there's probably individuals for those other pieces, right? Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Plenty of florals, plenty of mice, and plenty of snowmen. This is adorable. And I'm in Florida, so this is the closest I'm going to get to actual snow. Okay, let me clean up this batch of ephemera. Okay, so now we've got another set. Oh, there, darling. Look at the little baby deer. Okay, another set of ephemera. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's in this one. Oh, these are precious. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, dear, dear me. Blankets and pillows. These are definitely darling. I think this is so cute. To me, this one looks more like decorative pieces, like you've got a statue of a deer. Like this one is a candle holder of a deer and a purse and all of the fun things. These look more like that. Like this would possibly be a little girl's stuffed deer. And then we've got a couple of paper packs. This paper pack is called Fawns in Winter. And to me, the coloring and everything looks like it matches this one. Ooh. These are some pretty and interesting panels. So yeah, we've got a lot of interesting panels in this one. That's going to make for some cool backgrounds. And then the other one is called Snow Critters. That's got all of our cuties that were in those stamp sets. So I think that's going to be super cute. So let's see what those look like. These are all brighter colors. And that is Darlin. Oh, I love that little bear. Okay, that's a card. That is a card all on its own. That is super cute. Okay. Look at this little bear. He is Darlin too. Anyway, this is really, really, really cute. Some of these to me look almost like a baby's room. So if you've got someone who has recently or is going to be having a baby soon, some of these papers would be perfect, especially for a baby that is born in the winter or fall times. I think that is going to be super cute. So I'm going to go ahead and get started making my first card. So I'm starting off with this panel that I think is perfect, and I'm not 100% sure how wide to make it, but so I've got about, I don't know, about around a half inch, quarter inch that I just cut off so that it doesn't cut over that edge of the cup. So it's basically right up against the inside edge of my finger guard here. So I'll do the same thing over here as a measurement to see how close. I may not want to go that far. Actually, that's perfect. That puts it at 3 3/4. And then I can trim it down a little bit at the top and the bottom. So since this is 6 inches, if I cut it off about a half inch top and bottom, that would put centered. Or I could leave this one as being, I think I want to put it lower. So I'm going to cut off an inch from the bottom. So I'll cut that down to 5. So now the cup is a little lower down in the panel. And then I've got these strips that can be used for other bits. And then we've got, in this stamp set, we've got a sentiment that says, feels like snuggle weather, like a snuggle weather kind of day. And I think that would be cute for this little bear that is in the hot chocolate. I think that is adorable. So I am going to stamp directly down onto this panel using some Gina K Amalgam ink and Obsidian. Right now, this is my favorite black ink. And this is a new stamp, so I don't know if it's going to stamp all the way the first time, which is one great reason for using a Misti. Of course, I tend to use my Misti for almost all of my stamping. Okay, this is going to need at least another layer there. I'm going to go with one more. And that looks awesome. I love that. And the sentiment, I think, fits in really, really well. So I cut down another panel to be the matting layer from another piece of cardstock, or rather another pattern paper piece from the other one, the other paper pack. And I'm just going to lay that one down, leaving that little tiny border that I like around the edges. This is about 1/8 of an inch border. So this panel I cut down to about 4 by 5 1/4. And then I'm going to add this one over the top, but I do want to pop it up a little bit. I like to have a little bit of dimension on my cards. So I'm going to go ahead and add some foam tape to the back of this. And then center that on my card so I'll have 1/8 of an inch border all the way around my little bear. And then as just a final touch, I'm going to use this is Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. It's the same thing as the Glossy Accents. my Glossy Accents got clogged, and I still had this in my stash. So until I get another bottle of that, I'm going to use this guy up. And I'm just adding that to his little nose and a little bit to his eyes, even though I think I put a little bit too much on the eyes. That's okay. I'm going to remove some with my tweezers. And then once that's dry, we're going to have those cute little shiny eyes and nose on our little bear. And that is it. I mean, that's one of the things I love about the Not Too Shabby Shop card kits, is that even for someone like me that doesn't really use a lot of pattern paper or ephemera, a lot of these make super cute cards. And it's all done for you basically in the kit. This is just stinking adorable. I absolutely love this little bear. So you guys have a wonderful day. Remember, if I can make it, you can too. And be sure to check out this playlist over here where I'm using some more Not Too Shabby Shop products and some more cards. And I will talk to you soon. Check out the rest of the hop. There's a lot of inspiration there, and I believe there is a giveaway. Check out the details down in my description. Y'all have a great day.